In front of me is Honor 400 Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can select and delete multiple photos at once. Begin by clicking on Gallery app and selecting photos or albums at the bottom. Either way, when you find your pictures to get rid of, hold one of them and use this icon at the top right corner to select multiple right away. If you want to keep some, click on the chosen ones. And to get rid of the rest, use the Delete button at the bottom. Then confirm your choice in the pop-up. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!